Wasn't getting recorded. Okay, we'll go for this 50 only. Let me just retake it. So what we have done is like we have given a X-ray search for Hacker Earth and we have created a recipe. Similarly, by using in URL and in title part. And then we have gone to navigation. I've taken this part. Maybe on a third page. Can run. So this data will download. Okay, it has not given the URL form of it. It has taken us only till this dot dot. Nothing after that. Let's come back again. So now here is a problem. This is not showing us a complete URL. Only after clicking on the link. Your voice is very low. Can you speak a little louder?
Yes. So maybe by signing in Hacker Earth, maybe we might get full link.
No, this is Google page. See, after clicking on it, we'll be able to see the complete profile.
So
But
from Hacker Earth website, we cannot do the scrapping.
Let's see. Hacker, this is Hacker Rank or Hacker Earth?
Hacker Earth.
This is Hacker Earth. Okay, for Hacker Earth, its profile /profile. So let's run the recipe on this. Okay, here we have like this. So this part we can take it, Stalin, Suryansh in other column, data text to column, then generate a bulk email IDs. It's corrupting. Still it is getting corrupted. So it got scraped twice in the same column. Okay, interesting. What else we can do? Even for this also. Show complete URL. Let's see in case if there are any tools. Google search not displaying full URL anymore. Okay, maybe a recent change is how to make Chrome display full URL in support itself. So maybe a recent changes. Now right click the Chrome address bar, select all issue. Click relaunch Chrome to restart the browser. Okay, maybe we'll have to do some troubleshooting. Hmm.
I think there was a recent incident where Google incidentally
Hmm.
stopped scrapping the LinkedIn profiles, which was, I believe, for an error, but it was came back within couple of hours. So maybe
Hmm. Let's see in case if we are not logged in. The problem is if I'm not logged in, I would not be able to see 50 or 100 result per page. This is still fine. I think we'll have to dive deep into this. Search about Google dropping.
maybe to decrease the word count in the URL, they might have done it.
Hmm. Oh. Some click relaunch stuff is there. I think we have to uninstall and install make from full URL.
Many places it is saying to close Chrome and then restart Chrome, basically.
The option requires enabling a hidden flag in Google Chrome. To find it, copy paste the following text in a Chrome address bar and press enter. Okay, then to write the contest menu to show full viewing on flag page, click the box and select enable. Okay, contest menu full URL. Okay, relaunch. Okay, always show full URL. Okay, chalo, let's see. Default to enable relaunch. I will show full URL. So let's go for a new search. Still the same thing. Uninstalling and installing, not sure. There might be some workaround. Maybe we'll have one more session on this. You can also try finding it if we can fix this. So yeah, that's how the problem comes in while we do a passive sourcing, and always have to check for workarounds.
Yes.
Otherwise, maybe a direct search within HackerEarth, HackerRank will not give us enough results. So even this toolbar menu also, let me just check. Mhm. So maybe in this case, it's difficult because there is no standard URL format. But let us see in case SIT site. Here we have standard URL format. These things, let's try once more. Sujay. Okay, either I'll take it from here because I see their user IDs are something after hyphen. Let's give this first try. Or maybe space also would do. No, space will break it. Arey yaar, what's happening? Why this is crashing again and again? Now we come here. Okay, so no user ID will have space. Either it would be underline or it would be underscore. So this would be fine. So here we have the user IDs. Same again. So for hacker rank, we are sorted. Similarly, we just create a bulk email ID. So underscore, very less chances, but wherein the one which have just the text, they are the people who would have signed up by using their Google IDs, Gmail IDs, and that's where their user ID has come at the rate before Gmail, and we have used Gmail and we have created. And same input export in LinkedIn or else in a Google Contacts we can do. So for hacker rank, we are sorted. Now we are left with hacker earth. So is this the same with GitHub also? Let's see. Because GitHub also do not have a proper standard URL format. But otherwise, GitHub is showing me user URLs, and maybe we can do that. So from here, what it could be space. Yeah, space would work out. So maybe from the in URL part, I may not be able to, but let's see. Let's give one try. Nothing wrong. Here we'll take this part. Yeah, let's delete. So whatever is space, okay. Let's say conditional formatting. Come on, don't crash. It looks like it's going to crash again. But otherwise, hope you got what we're trying to do.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay,
yes,
and it
not
is possible.
responding.
Maybe from in URL part, we're finding it hard, but wherein from the in title part, we're able to get it. Let's give another try. Okay, do not import column. We're able to do this as well. Okay, so GitHub also, in X-Ray also we are sorted. Again, we'll add the Gmail IDs to this and we'll create a bulk email IDs. So now few of the sites, maybe that's a restriction from the site that they have built a site like that. Something like Hacker Earth. I believe earlier it used to work. Got it. It was a long back message while I was searching for a job. So maybe that time it was working and I'm a culprit that I told one of the person over there that this is how it's working. So going forward, I'm not going to do that. Yeah, it used to work, I know, but I don't know.
Probably.
You think